Hey all, welcome back to the channel. So earlier today I cut the plastic off this and I was going to go through this and I was like, you know what? Since not a lot of people have seen it, might as well go through it with everybody, you know? So I wanted to take a look with everybody. So I did see another one of these today, as a matter of fact. Butch over at BK was going through his boxes on a video he just recently posted. And I saw one. The box art wasn't like this. The box art was your typical 90s style that had the finished model on the front, photographed, and yeah, we didn't have this box art. But I'm glad I got that. I'm actually going to keep this box because I dig this box art, you know. So anyway, let's go through this thing. Let's see what we got in here. So the first bag contains the tub, that famous Outlaw nose piece, engine block, the interior, steering wheel, I'm thinking they're wheel backs, just miscellaneous pieces. What are these? Oh, they're stands. They're stands. Like, you know, to rope off a show car type deal. I don't know what's something. Oh, one fell off. Okay. Let's look in the next bag. This bag's got the Robbin Hood Fink himself. Man, he's quite the nasty character, ain't he? Just like all of Ed Ross Fink characters, they were all kind of gruesome, right? He's got some holes in him. I wonder if he'd been shot. His gun. He's in two pieces, so I can see that there's going to be a hell of a seam that I'm going to have to work. His boots. Got to glue them 4 pieces together. The rear wheels must be, yeah. Huh. Let's look at the chrome tree. Wow, it's a lot of small little pieces, man. So these must be the front wheels. Look like some sort of hubcap. Center cap for the front wheels, perhaps. These look like the rear hubcap things, center caps. Brake drums. These are axle tubes. They have a quick change. Huh. That's interesting. I didn't notice the center section anywhere. That's transmission. You guys see a center section for a quick change rear end or anything? Because I sure don't. And look at the other bag. Am I missing it? Can't imagine it got lost. I mean, it's a sealed kit. Nothing in there but the instructions. I gotta be looking right past it. Okay, well, let's move on with the program. I'll find it eventually. Headlight buckets. Yeah, a lot of, man, the chrome is actually pretty decent for being such an old kit. I mean, it's got some flash and some stuff I gotta remove, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, there's a lot of tiny little pieces on here. Alright, let's look at the instructions here. Oh, what's that? Guess you gotta make your own windshield or something. Alright, so what we got here? We got your color callouts here. It says, put the snatch on Robbin Hood Fink in Big Daddy's Outlaw. I'm not going to read you the whole thing. But we got colors like gloss yellow, gloss purple, gold, silver, flat black, off-white, insignia red, military brown, flat gold gray, gloss light blue. Just what you'd expect with a Roth car, right? It's pretty straightforward. I'm curious about that rear end, though. Yeah, see? It's the banjo style rear end. I didn't see that in there. I'll have to look when I'm done with this. Okay, so I'm looking at this right here for the body, right? And it's pointing to the nose piece and stuff. And other body pieces and stuff. And it is telling you to paint it gloss purple. Now, I saw that on the box, obviously. But here I'm thinking, okay, Tweety Pie was purple. The Outlaw was white with silver panels and had green. It was green fade around all the silver panels. But they want you to paint this purple. Now, with that said, there's no way in heck that I'm going to be able to duplicate the color scheme of what Ed Roth did with the Outlaw. I don't think I could do that justice. There's no way. I don't think I could do that much taping and masking and stuff like that. Oh, it is a shift lever. I was wondering. I'd seen that when I was looking at the chrome tree. Let me find it again. Right here. Can you see that? I was thinking to myself that it was a handle of a sword, and I thought maybe on the Robbin Hood Fink's bandolero he had a sheath or something. But I said, oh, knowing Ed Roth, it was probably a stick shift. And sure enough, it's right there. Right off the gearbox. Or transmission, as us Americans call them. So yeah, I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. I mean, there's a lot of little parts, but yeah. And the color callouts for the car, see, they are stands for roping them off, roping the car off. It has a trophy as well, apparently. Huh. I'll have to look for those parts and pieces. I don't know. It should be a cool little build. It'll be fun. I haven't painted figurines in years. My mom used to get me, if you guys remember, they used to make those figurines, and I had a bunch of Star Wars ones. I remember Yoda more specifically, and they came in those little paint pots, you know, the acrylic paints. And I had a Yoda. That's probably the last figurine that I painted. I can't remember painting any other figurines. There's no decals to this at all. I didn't see any decals. So, well, I guess this is going to be a little project in and of itself, huh? A lot of little pieces. Keep track of. Excuse me. I got the burps. Can you see how ugly that dude is? My goodness. That's what he's supposed to look like. And I seen the color call out. It's like supposed to be purple and supposed to have blue hair, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. Look at the holes. Are they bullet holes? What are they? Apparently they're meant to be there, right? Anyway, so here, if you look at the car, they got it painted purple. So obviously I saw the color call out, said light gloss purple for the interior and then gloss purple for the body color. So if I were to mask this off and do it the colors and do this like a pearl white, and then look at resource photos and actually mask off every panel that he masked off, paint it silver, and then try to do the green fade, it'd probably take me a really long time to do that. I don't think my skills with the airbrush are up there just yet. Single colors and stuff like that, no problem. Doing fades and outlines, yeah, I don't think I could do that just yet. Maybe someday. But I think I'm just going to do it this purple color. And we'll leave it at that. Right? Alright guys, I got some good news too, by the way. Just want to let you in on this. I was talking to a guy that's doing my hero cards. And I asked him, you know, I figured I'd give him a couple days because earlier this week I was wondering, you know, hey, what the heck's going on? So, gave him a couple days, and I reached out to him this morning, and I said, hey, I said, what's a good word, my good man? And he says, your cards, let me get my race cars done. He goes, I got some race car vinyl I got to do this week, and I should do your cards on Friday, and I should have them to you on Saturday morning. So that's pretty good news, if I say so myself. I've been waiting a little while, and I really, really want to get them out to you guys. I have sent a lot of you guys emails, and some of you guys have either responded or a few days later I've gotten your cards in the mail, and that's very cool. I don't know if some of you are getting my emails, or I'm in the spam box or whatever, but check your spam box. I might have sent you an email for a shop card. Just a, you know, hint. And then I'll probably go ahead and go to the post office on Monday, and I'll get these shop cards out to people who have already sent me shop cards and people who sent me inquiries already to my inbox about shop cards. So they should be to you probably next week sometime. Alright guys, that's all I got on this one. Thanks for watching. Happy modeling.